Can't let my people starve, I be going hard. Can't let my people starve, I be going hard. Can't let my people starve, I be going hard. Whips and chains up on the boulevard. If he look this clean, he's a rider. In the streets, pure evil, but at home, he's a provider. The hustle never sleeps, there's not enough time in the day. Life's a bitch, I drop dope shit. Just that foreplay, take it to the gutsy, we gon' make like 4K. Di number na liscoti, pela turtulas, turn to sakasi. Arabakene, rabakene led, making mass graves, Bazo Pelé, told the homies that I had to say farewell. Death is life's mercy. I hope you in a better place. To all the homies that are still alive, if you're not gon' kill yourself, let's get this money. And they won't love us all, cause we ain't money. This shit ain't funny, we talking Judas shit. Cursing the gift on some unfortunate shit. Thank God for life, this shit is so interesting. Thank God for life, this shit is always so amazing. Shit, it's the curse and the gift, all some unfortunate shit. We talking about Judas shit. They won't love us all cause we ain't money.
Can't let them stop it. And that's why we go hard.